Tama na!
If the stress keep piling up, maybe drinking and smoking is the only way para kahit saglit makalimot. But deep inside, I know doesn't really solve anything. Parang tinalikuran ko na lahat ng problema ko, pero nandyan pa rin siya. Vices might ease pain for a moment, pero they can't also lead to bigger problem. Hindi ito the way of handle stress. Maybe it's time to try ibang paraan, like talking to someone, doing things I enjoy, or just talking deep breath para ma-relax.
Good morning!
Good morning, anak! Ready na ang breakfast mo?
How are you feeling today, Brent? Remember, we're here for you.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, pa.
Anak, umupo ka dito.
Alam naming naging stressful ang mga araw mo. Ay, kaya mo yan basta lagi mong tatandaan, alagaan mo ang sarili mo, at huwag ka magpapadala sa ibang bisyo.
Tama yun, anak. Kapag may problema ka, sabihin mo lang sa amin. We're your team.
Hindi po. Gusto ko din po maging okay.
After breakfast, maglakad-lakad tayo or gawin natin yung mga favorite mong gawain para makapag-relax ka.
Yun ang better way to deal with stress kaysa sa mga bisyo.
Mahal ka namin, nak.
Tiki po, mga pa. Mahal ko din kayo.
Important things. Talk when I needed to breathe deeply, make time and things I enjoy. Kaya ko po. Morning, ma'am. I'm feeling a lot better now. I want to do my best this semester.
It's wonderful, Brent. Remember, every success forward comes. Don't you ever feel overwhelmed? Just talk to me or your classmates. Hey, Brent! Brent!
Hi, Tracy. Bilis, sabay na tayo.
Sige! Hey, Brent. Ang sayo makita ng itim na yan. Alam ko, ginawa mong effort to improve.
Thanks, Tracy. I wasn't easy, but I'm choosing to be positive and work hard. And I want to pass to all my subjects and stay away from bad kids.
Good! We're all behind you. Gusto mo bang mag-group study after class? Mas masaya pag sabay tayo.
That's so great. I think kasama kayo palagi sa motivation ko.
I feel so overwhelmed sometimes, but heard it's different. This place reminds me to breathe, to pause. Lord, thank you for always being there, even when I feel lost. Please give me the strength to face my challenges, the patience to handle my stress, and the courage to ask for
Sarap pala ng ganitong pakiramdam. Walang bigat, walang bisyo. Dati akala ko imposible. Pero ngayon, kaya pala. Lisa, okay lang ako. Actually, mas okay ako ngayon. Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Ako rin, okay naman. Pero grabe, ang laki na pinagbago mo. I mean, dati, parang ang lungkot mo palagi. Pero ngayon, pinag-happy ka. Ang galing mo ba? I'm so proud of you.
Salamat, Alisa. Ang hirap ng pinagdaanan ko pero natutunan kong harapin yung stress in a better way. Hindi ko akalain na kaya ko pala magbago.
That's really inspiring. Hindi lahat nagkakaroon ng lakas ang loob para baguhin na sila. You show may pag-asa kahit gano'ng kabigat ang stress.
To be honest, isa ka din sa naging inspiration ko dahil gusto ko na.
Ganda ng araw ngayon, no?
Oo, para paalaala na kahit matapos ang madilim na gabi, laging may liwanag sa mundo.
Bye, friend. Bono na ako. Nakanga pala. Gusto din kita.
Kasalanan bang mahulog sa'yo? Tumingin ka sa akin. Gusto kong
Life will always have stress and struggle, pero hindi natin kailangang harapin yun mag-isa. With faith, family, friends, and the right mindset, we can rise above anything, and sometimes all it takes is one person who believes in you para makita mo ulit ang liwanag.
Ang role ko sa ginawa naming video ay ang pagiging ama. Ang natutunan ko sa aming video ay kapag ama ka is kailangan ikaw ang maging guide ng anak mo para di siya sumuko. And kapag estudyante ka is laban lang ng laban. Kapag marami nang bubuli sa'yo is huwag ka papatalo sa kanila at huwag kang susuko.
Ang role ko ay best friend ni Brent na nandyan para sa kanya at naniniwalang kaya niya. And ang natutunan ko sa film ay, don't give up, just keep going no matter what happens.
Sometimes you don't need to do something big to save someone. Just being their inspiration can already make a difference. When people see your strengths, kindness, or determination, it gives them hope to keep going. Your story, words, or even your presence can remind someone that life is still worth fighting for. Being an inspiration means showing others that change, healing, and happiness are possible, and that alone can save a heart in silence.
Handling stress isn't that easy, and you can overcome it with the help of others around you. And don't forget to seek help to our God. Seeking help isn't for the weak. Don't let your stress control you. You control it. Breathe, let go, and remind yourself that this very moment is the only one you know for sure. You don't have to see the whole staircase. You just have to take the first step, because nothing can bring you peace other than yourself.
Di lahat ng problema ay ang solusyon ay ang pag-iinom, paninigarilyo at pakipagbarkada sa labas. Ang stress na nararanasan natin sa school or sa loob ng bahay ay laging nandyan. Kaya dapat kaya natin labanan ang stress sa ating sarili. Simulan ito sa paglilibang sa ibang bagay na gusto mo at pagbago to improve, to motivate, and always pray. Because God is always us no matter what happened.
Sa paggawa namin ng film tungkol sa paano i-handle ang stress bilang student, na-realize ko na mahalaga talaga ang support ng friends at family, pati na rin ang paglaan ng time para sa sarili. Simpleng paraan lang ng pag-manage ng stress pero malaking tulong ito para mas maging positibo sa school life. Stress is not what happened to us, it's our response to what happens, and response is something we can choose.
Ang role ko, ako yung batang laging binubuli at kinukutya. Dahil sa lagi akong binubuli ay nagawa ko ang lahat ng hindi dapat gawin, tulad ng pag-inom ng alak, panigarilyo at iba pa. At ang natutunan ko ay dapat kang lumaban sa anumang pagsubok na dumaan kahit gaano pa ito kahirap. At huwag kang susuko base sa iyong nakikita.
As a teacher in our video presentation, we should always talk to our students about how they are doing because we don't know what they are going through. We can't be sure that everyone we talk to is okay. Sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, compassion, courage, and a little extra kindness in your everyday life.